It's still the driver's car, but now it comes in a color that's louder than its exhaust note. And wait until you see what BMW quietly did to the chassis. Welcome back to the channel that doesn't just cover cars, we get under their skin. Today, we're talking about a car that's been called the benchmark for decades, the one every other sports sedan is measured against. But this time, it's dipped in a jaw-dropping, unapologetic bright purple that shatters every German restraint you thought you knew. This is a 2025 BMW 3 Series, and yes, it's still the legend, but now it's more expressive, more connected, and more focused than ever. At first glance, the paint steals the show. BMW calls it Thunder Violet Metallic, and it's not here to whisper. It shifts subtly in light, from deep wine to electric grape, never quite the same shade twice. It's bold, it's divisive, it's perfect, because if you're buying a 3 Series in 2025, chances are you want to stand out. But once you get past the drama of the finish, you realize the real story is in the drive. BMW's done more than just refresh the G20 generation. They've subtly re-engineered it. New dampers, recalibrated steering software, and an updated rear subframe mount give the 2025 3 Series sharper reflexes without sacrificing comfort. It's still that magic BMW blend. Poise in corners, effortless on long drives, and telepathic when pushed. Under the hood, you've got choices. The 330i soldiers on with the ever-capable 2.0L turbocharged inline-4, now making 285 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, paired to the ever-smooth 8-speed ZF Auto. But the big surprise? A reworked plug-in hybrid 330EX drive that now delivers over 40 miles of electric-only range and a total system output of 320 horsepower. It's quicker, cleaner, and finally more than just a tax play. Inside, BMW's minimalist future continues. The curved dual-screen layout from the i4 has made its way here. 12.3 inches of digital instrumentation, seamlessly blending into a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. It's fast, clean, and built around iDrive 9. Yes, you can use a touchscreen. Yes, the rotary controller is still there. And yes, the voice control finally feels like it belongs in a car that costs over 50 grand. Materials? Top shelf. BMW's move towards sustainable luxury with recycled aluminum trim, vegan leather that actually feels premium, and deep textures that catch the light as you drive. The seats remain best in class, supportive, firm, but never punishing. And then there's the tech. Adaptive cruise that doesn't jerk around. Lane keeping that doesn't fight you in corners. Parking assist that remembers complex maneuvers and repeats them. You can even use your phone as a key, share digital access, and precondition the cabin before you leave the house. But perhaps the biggest evolution in this new 3 Series is one you can't see on a spec sheet. It's in how it drives. There's a composure here, a restraint. BMW's filtered out the harshness without numbing the feel. The steering talks to you. The chassis breathes with the road. It's a car that still respects the enthusiast, even while embracing the connected, electrified future. And the best part? BMW hasn't forgotten that the 3 Series is meant to be driven. No gimmicks, no overstyled drama. Just balanced power, real poise, and a drivetrain that rewards commitment. The bright purple paint? That's just the exclamation mark on a sentence BMW's been writing for 40 years. So here's the question. In a world of performance crossovers and soulless EVs, does a 2025 BMW 3 Series still matter? Or is it clinging to a legacy the market's outgrown? Let me know what you think. Would you spec it in Thunder Violet? Or is that one step too bold? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews, and share this with someone who still dreams in rear-wheel drive. Because in a world of grayscale sedans and lifeless tech, the 3 Series is still the heartbeat, and now it beats in purple.